Welcome back guys, how's it going? So today we'll be discussing the Tesla Plaid event recap. Make sure to watch till the end, so let's get into it. The Silicon Valley automaker has charged this new $130,000 adaptation of the Model S, first reported in January and initially scheduled to deliver in March, as the speediest creation vehicle at any point made, with a capacity to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Its name is a reference to the inconceivable speed passed over the top in the satire Spaceballs. It's likewise expected to get around 390 miles of reach. Tesla is selling a less incredible adaptation of the updated Model S with more reach, 412 miles, that begins at simply a hair under $80,000. Conveyances of those beginning in the not-so-distant future. Why so quick? We must show that an electric vehicle is the best vehicle, no doubt, Musk said on Thursday night's occasion. It must be clear that sustainable energy vehicles can be the quickest vehicles, the most secure vehicles, and can be the most kick-ass vehicles inside and out. This vehicle crushes, he said. The new Model S is the principal significant upgrade for the car since it was dispatched in 2012 and set before Tesla its way to its status as the world's top electric vehicle organization. The outside plan is generally unaltered, however, it has a very low drag coefficient of 0.208, and the inside has gotten a major facelift. The Model S presently has a level touchscreen like the one found in the Model 3 and Model Y, yet with a greater 17-inch variant with more modest bezels. In contrast to the Model 3 and Model Y, there is an advanced instrument group behind the guiding wheel. A third screen is found behind the mid-control area for rear travelers. Tesla flaunted another UI for the screens on Thursday night, which highlights drag-and-drop components and different refinements. Musk even abdicated to yells from the horde of fans at one point and consented to at last add a waypoint highlight to Tesla's road framework. There are different updates as well, like more space for rear travelers, just as rear seat remote telephone chargers. The Flow Model S, the secondary lounge, isn't stunning. Yet, the enhanced one, it's really a genuine rearward sitting arrangement, Musk said. The Model S Plaid has incredibly amazing preparation that can run AAA games on the vehicle screens at 60 casings each second, as well as driving the entirety of different administrations' Tesla permits like Netflix, Spotify. Truly, it resembles a home performance center in sight, Musk said. Tesla has likewise changed significantly under the proverbial hood. The Model S Plaid is controlled by another tri-engine drivetrain that Tesla initially began creating for the approaching second-age Roadster. The organization tried the Plaid powertrain in a Model S vehicle at renowned courses, Laguna Seca and the Nürburgring. Those 3 engines, all in all, put down around 1,000 drive, and the vehicle can arrive at a maximum velocity of 200 miles each hour. However, just when equipped certain haggles that will not be accessible until in the not-so-distant future. It hits you directly in the limbic system, Musk said. Prior Model S cars weren't by and large lethargic, yet the enhanced one will be more equipped for rehearsing that presentation on account of some new tech Tesla created. The organization has been chipping away at new heat pumps beginning with the Model Y, and in the Model S Plaid, Tesla says the pump improves chilly climate range by 30% and lessens the energy utilization of showing the HVAC framework to 50%. The radiator is additionally a lot greater to help cool the battery pack during demanding drives. Tesla even grew new carbon-enveloped rotors by the electric engines that power the Plaid framework to hold them back from falling to pieces at high RPM. One potential hiccup in safety, the striking U-molded YOKE directing wheel. It was apparently an astonishment to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. At the point when Musk was asked by Joe Rogan in February whether he thought the new guiding wheel was lawful, the CEO said, "They utilize a yoke in Formula One." No doubt, yet you're not on the highway in a Formula One vehicle, Rogan reacted. Musk said that he trusted Tesla's autopilot driver help framework is getting sufficient that you will not have to drive more often than not. Tesla switched around the directing wheel plan, yet it additionally disposed of the entirety of the stocks on the controlling segment. There will be a choice on the touchscreen to choose drive modes, yet Tesla considers that a reinforcement. Overall, The vehicle will default to consequently moving between park, converse, and drive. I think, by and large, all input is error, Musk said Thursday night. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know what you guys think about the Tesla Plaid in the comment section.